Hey everyone, if you're getting the unusual activity detected message on ElevenLabs, don't worry. I'll show you exactly how to fix it in just a few simple steps. This error usually means that ElevenLabs detected something odd with your account or usage pattern, like too many requests in a short time, VPN usage, or even multiple logins from different devices. First, try logging out of your ElevenLabs account. Wait a few seconds, then log back in. Sometimes this clears the temporary block automatically. Next, if you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. ElevenLabs may flag your activity as suspicious if your IP address is masked or constantly changing. Also, make sure you're not logged in from too many devices or browsers at once. Stick to one device to avoid triggering the alert system. If the problem continues, clear your browser cookies and cache, then refresh the page. This helps reset your session and can fix minor issues. Still stuck? Go to the ElevenLabs website, scroll down and click on Support, or use the contact form. Explain the issue, they're usually quick to respond. And that's it. If this helped you, give the video a like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching.